everyone, and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to go over the Witch's Roots box for December. It should be Seeds of Empowerment, Enlightenment, something like that. The Witch's Roots box is I forget what it says. I think it says it's 33 or $30 a month. I pay 38, I think, with shipping and tax. Or do I pay 33? And it says 25. I don't remember, but I do pay a little bit for shipping, and with the taxes it comes around $33 to $38. I enjoy everything in this box, so I am grateful to pay that. Without further ado, we're going to jump right on into it. Not because we're trying to rush a video, but just because why do you want to sit here and listen to me ramble about it? So, this month said it was Seeds of Empowerment. One of the things I like about this box is you usually always get one type of incense, whether it be sticks, cones, rope, whatever. You do get one incense. An oil of some kind. Sometimes they're more sprays or body sprays or facial sprays, but you still get one oil of some kind. A stone, a candle, and then usually a talisman, and then artwork. And I love the artwork. They pick some of the best artwork. So, this is your little pouchet. I'll open it up and show you at the end of the video. It kind of is an overview. I do keep all of my twine. You never know when you need a piece of twine. This month they have sent the 5th Pinnacle of the Moon. It's a seal. You can put this in any books, listen to me, Book of Shadows that you may have, but it is a seal of Solomon, and it does have all of the key points on here. I do less ritual work and more of my own, and this month you get the herb of jasmine, and you do get an herb in these. I forgot to mention that you get an herb in every single box. So we will set those right there. So the first thing I'll show you is your herb, which is jasmine. You do get one pouchet of herb in this, and I do love that. I think I said that. And then my candle, which is a beeswax colored candle, and this one's sky blue. I usually don't open them till I use them. So it looks like this month you get an aquamarine. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's the stone. I do like this. Kind of looks like blown glass a little bit though. And my incense is down here, and it does say that it's for stress relief. This is kind of a different kind of packaging. You were just getting the incense with twine wrapped around them, so it's kind of neat to have them in little incense bags. Oh, and they smell so good. This one actually smells more like the soap you wish you had in the bathroom. Foil. I don't see a dropper, so I'm going to go with it. This is just an oil. Ooh, it's everywhere. Oh, that's not good. It must have leaked a little. But only a little, but it is everywhere. It does say it is a Star Herald ointment, but it is literally all over this. So I gotta grab a tissue real quick just to get it off. I don't know why the seal doesn't seem like it's broken or anything, but I do see oil marks in my box, so it must have just seeped out. That's okay. But it does smell really good. And it's not much. It's still, the liquid's still like right here, so it's only a little bit. So that's okay. I got so many of these over here, it's not even funny. I set all my oils over there so that they're upright. Okay. Well, my hands are going to be all nice and oily when I get to work. The next item, I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like this is an herb-infused stone. I'm going to pull this stone out. Looks like there's like rose petals in here with this stone. I don't know what this stone is offhand. I will look in a little pouch it, but this is what it looks like in the bag. We'll look at the paper on that. And the last item is star seeds. These are cards of like empowerment more than they are anything else, and spiritual growth. I do enjoy these. The idea behind these, they're kind of complement. These say wisdom for spiritual growth cards, but the way I use these is I pick one a day and just see what they are. So like your card today would be guidance. You are not alone. You are guided by masters and teachers of the highest realms. Or stillness. Reflect on this moment with love, kindness, and compassion. And that's kind of how I use them. But there are different ways. Everybody would use them differently. But I just pick one or two and read them for the day and then go about my day. So I do like that they're in their own little box. So let's jump with this and open this card up real quick and look and see why the stone is beige. A sachet of peace. That's what that is. And it says that they have created this soothing sachet for you to carry during your day or place to breathe in your pillow while you sleep. Our intention is to create energies of tranquility, peace, unity, and foresight into your visions. Herbs included are lavender, ground sage, rose petals, and lemon balm. And then it's an uncut moonstone, which that's what I thought it was. And then this one's called an aqua aura tumbled stone, which I thought that was. And the stress release incense, it doesn't tell me what the color flavors are. The flavors, listen to me. The smells that come with that. And then the anointing oil that came out has chamomile, jasmine, lavender herbs inside with a quartz. It's supposed to have a stone in it. I don't hear a stone. I wonder if that's what came out. I don't see a quartz in it. Usually, they have quartz in them. You see them. Oh, wait. It might have one quartz in there, but I didn't hear it. Usually you can hear them. Oh, well. If it doesn't, it just doesn't. I'm not that big a deal. everything happens for a reason. But that's what this looks like, and it's always very telling. It doesn't really give you any like rituals. I do have a box that does do that, but this one's more of here's your supplies, and I do enjoy that. So let's pull this up and put this over here because I'm getting this ready for my thing. We'll pack up this box, and that is what I got for the month of December for my Witch's Roost box. If this box looks good, just check out the description. All the links are there. I do think that I do get, starting in January, a nice Witch Moon box, which is their bigger box. And then they have one called the Witch's Bounty, which is a different kind of box as well. That's a very expensive box. So, stay tuned. I also did order, I think, November's Witch's Moon box, so I will be getting that in the mail soon, and I will go ahead and film that as an unboxing anyway. I'm late on my boxes, so it doesn't really matter. But with that, I will set you off into the world to have a wonderful day. I heart your face, and I make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all the links and all that stuff, and I'll see you next video. Bye.